Turn the lights down, I'm in my zone.
I'm Junaid from Autostyle Motorsport. For those of you that know us, we've got two stores, one in Johannesburg and one in Durban. We're in Umhlanga for the 9th annual Autostyle Motor Show. The motor show was started off when Autostyle initially opened their shop 10 years ago. It started out as an exercise to promote the business. At that time, there was just felt across the road from us. Over the years, the area has developed. It's fully built up now. And the show itself has become so successful, we're no more allowed to close off the streets. So this year we've come into a new venue at Gateway. Gateway is partnering with us for their birthday. And as you can see behind us here, it's only 10:30 and this place is packed to capacity already.
If I was a car, what car would I be? I'd probably choose to be a Mercedes 6.3, the AMG.
I'd be a Polo GTI.
If I was a car, I would be a Chevy Impala 64.
Corsa PC.
A Lamborghini.
I would definitely be that funky silver Porsche over there. Mini. I'd be a Mustang.
When it's hot and tropical, you drip just like glue. That sunlight's burning into you. You're dripping all over.
That's very difficult.
I'll try.
Hi, Mohammed from Autostyle. We've reached the end of our motor show. It's been a phenomenal day. We'd like to thank our sponsors, the general public for attending and supporting us, and our dedicated team of staff for making this possible. Thank you very much.
I see you melting up to the stuff on your stereo. With your friends in the heat and your Alfa Romeo. You're dripping all over. Suck your lemonade in the sun. Watch it run off your tongue. Suck your lemonade in the sun. Watch it run.